If you're watching today's video, not only means you're looking for ways to make money online, and in that case, you're at the right place at the right time, because in today's video, we're going to be sharing some websites and new methods that's going to help you make money without having to pay for anything and with very little effort. You could be making as much as $300 just by sitting at home, laying in your bed, maybe lounging on your couch, and just putting really very minimal effort. But remember this, you can't just earn money if you don't put in a little effort, like we said. You know, what you're doing, mindlessly scrolling through social media, that's not going to work. But the time that you actually use to scroll through social media, that time you can put into making a lot of money by following our advice. So, if you think that's not going to work for you, then let us tell you that all of the sites that we have chosen for today, that we're going to be showing you today, it is available worldwide. So hopefully that changes your mind. No matter where you are in the Philippines, if you're from Nigeria, if you're from Bangladesh, or if you're from Ukraine or wherever, these websites are going to work for you literally no matter what part of the globe you are from. Okay, so make sure that you try that out, because that's the only real way you'll know if it actually works. So earning online is hard. We all know that. There's so many scams, so many viruses, so many thefts, going on, and most people are scared because of this reason. But don't worry, we always make sure that the websites that we choose for you are proof of these. They don't have any scams, they have no viruses with them, they are free, and they will not steal any of your data. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, all of our websites for today, they are super duper reliable and trusted. We've tried and tested them ourselves, and they've worked amazing for us as well. So let's just go on with our first website, which is called treasuretrooper.com. And once you get to the website, you're going to notice that it does look a little bit old, but don't even worry. If you actually look at the bottom part here, you're going to see that this was created in 2005. So this is a website that's been up and running for 16 years now, and since it is one of the oldest websites that are still operating to this day, it is also the most desirable one and the one that's going to pay you instantly. So this actually is combined of fun with getting paid. You're going to be seeing 4 methods right in front of you, and the best of them is to actually complete offers, which will allow you to earn up to $3,000 every single month. Now that is huge, okay? But if you do want to just go slow and steady, there's always that option, and you can do like completing surveys and earn up to $1 each survey. And every survey, it only takes 3 minutes or less even, and you can easily make more than 100 every single day. So if you look at the counter on the left, you're going to see that people have made more than $7 million in total ever since the website was created. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now just imagine how much money $3,000 is, or hundreds of dollars is, in every single day. Another option, just so you could relax, could be playing the Insight games to actually earn virtual money. That you're also going to be able to exchange for real cash, right? The site, it even gives you a referral bonus every time you bring a friend. 20% of their earnings actually is going to go to you every time they sign up and mention that it was you who taught them to the website. So they even offer like instant payouts, so you're not going to be waiting days or weeks just to get your money. You're going to get it literally in 24 hours. So what are you waiting for? Start treasure hunting right now and then go on treasuretrooper.com. Now that we're finished with our first website, let's go ahead on to our second website, which is called Servya.com. And this is probably the best and the cleanest website that we've ever used. Now, Servya actually works as a middleman between corporations and users. And what this website does is that they take surveys and quizzes from different well-known corporations and then they bring them to you. As soon as you're able to fill out those surveys, Servya gives you the proper payment for your time and your effort. And that's not it, because the company actually pays even better rates than most of its competitors. Now, why is that? That is simply because while most of your websites paying you online for surveys, they pay you in dollars, Servya pays you in euros, which means that when you get paid in euros, you're going to be earning more once you convert them to US dollars. Now, the euros are convertible and you can get them for your PayPal or your Skrill, and you can even redeem an Amazon voucher. Now, they even have Western Union as a payment option. Now, another wonderful thing about the website is that they allow you to think before you spend, and they always bring you the latest and most sensible financial advice so you can maximize your earnings with them. And if you even want to do some good in the world, you can give back to the less fortunate. Servya even has links with charities so you can donate to them directly. And if you're worried about signing up, you don't have to. The process is super easy and it takes less than 10 minutes to set up an account. So go ahead, check this website out right now. You are not going to be disappointed. Now, our next website we've already talked about before, but we realized it would be a waste not to bring it back for you guys because it didn't reach a lot of people the last time. So our next website is called PrizeRebel.com. Now, this also works on the same principle as the two previous websites that we've just mentioned. You just finish online surveys for brands and then you get paid for every survey that you're able to complete. So what makes this website different is that the average user is the fact that they have one of the largest gift card collections of any site on the internet. So instead of just earning cash, you can actually choose to earn maybe a gift card like from Amazon or Xbox or Steam or even PlayStation. They even give out discount codes and redeemable gift cards for Shein and H&M. So with partners like that, you know this website is for real. And what's even better, they've been featured on The Insider recently. And if you're interested and you want to sign up and try it out, this website does have a one-touch sign-up option with your Facebook ID. But if you do not want to connect with a separate account, you can do that as well. Signing up takes, again, less than 10 minutes. So don't miss out on all of the deals and go ahead and sign up right now. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now for the final and the simplest site on our list for today, it's called surveytime.io, and this is just the right website for you. Now with this website, you're not gonna have to waste any time just filling out your personal details and forms that are unnecessary. You can immediately sign up with just one click by connecting your account to any Google or Facebook or Twitter account. And the best part is that there are no issues here whatsoever. You get paid $1 per survey that you're able to complete, so you know that you're getting paid well. So go ahead to the site, start making some great money. The possibilities are endless when it comes to making money with all of these websites. All you need is someone who's going to guide you down right that path, and that's exactly why we're here. We'll see you guys in the next one. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.